Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a charming waterfront 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, brand new construction in Bay St. Louis. This home is so charming. I'm standing out here on this expansive deck overlooking the water. This is a lifestyle that you need to experience, but there's so much more to see, so let's go on in and take a look. As we walk from the back deck into this beautiful home, you can see it is so expansive. This home has such a great floor plan. We step into a huge living room area. There's so much to love in here. There's vinyl plank flooring throughout. There is a step ceiling detail in here, and there's crown molding on both levels. So nice. And then we move through the open floor plan into the large dining area. You can fit a really nice sized table here, and then we step into the kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful. What's not to love in new construction? We've got the white shaker cabinetry, the 42-inch uppers with the beautiful cove molding detail on top, stainless appliances, and the quartz countertops are just beautiful. Even the pendant lighting detail is lovely. There's so much space in here for prep and entertaining, and there's still so much more to see. Let's take a look at the rest of the home. Stepping down the hall, the first room that we come to is this fabulous laundry room. I love how big this space is. So of course, plenty of room over here for your washer and dryer. And then we've got this big bonus storage area right here to my right. You can put an extra refrigerator, freezer, or even just some shelving, lots of space to store your things. Now, as we come further down the hall, we come into the first of the 3 bedrooms. Again, a really nice size, flooded with natural light, as you can see, charming ceiling fans, and then again, the vinyl plank flooring. Let's go on to that shared bathroom. This bathroom is so beautiful. I just love the choices of the colors and the materials in this space. Again, the white shaker cabinetry and the white quartz, gorgeous. The mirrors are charming, and even the light fixture. Everything is so well thought out in this home, and the flooring is just beautiful. Lots of space in here as well. All right, on to bedroom 2. One of the things that's so great about this house is the ceiling height. So even in this bedroom, it's 9-foot ceilings, which gives the feeling of even more space. And this room is a really nice size. It's very long. Again, lots of natural light. All right, on to the primary suite. There's so much that I love about this space. So here is the primary bedroom. And again, so much natural light flooding in. I just love the ceiling height in here. So we've got the 9-foot ceiling height, but then there's the step which gives you 10-foot ceilings. And then the crown molding in there just really tops it off. Now, here's the thing I really, really love, and it's this ensuite bath. It's absolutely beautiful. It feels like luxury. The tile choices are absolutely beautiful. We have the quartz countertops and the white shaker cabinetry. It just feels amazing in here. All right, let's go check out that outdoor space. One of the things I love so much about these homes is the space under the house. So look at how expansive this area is. It's a huge covered area, great for parking, great for entertaining. Just think of the parties you can have in this space. Now, another thing I love so much about this house is this huge outdoor room. This thing is great. The size, it is just enormous. The ceilings are so high, it could even be turned into an indoor-outdoor room. How great is that? Now let's go check out that view one more time. As we're walking to the water, I just want you to see how big this room is next to me. There's even additional covered concrete patio space, and then there's more covered patio space even behind the room. Then we get to this view, which is the best thing in my opinion about this area, is having that waterfront. This home is amazing. You need to make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.